How to delete Gmail account. So if you want to delete Gmail account, then first you just need to open up your Gmail account or Gmail application. Once you open up the Gmail, you can go for the profile, which is on the upper right, and choose the account which you would like to delete. Once you've chosen, now again go for the profile, tap on manage your Google account, and once you're here, you just need to go for data and privacy option. Once you're here on the data and privacy, now you just need to scroll all the way down, and here you will have an option of delete your Google account. So here you will have delete your Google account on the bottom of your screen. Tap on delete your Google account. Once you tap on it, you just need to confirm if it's you or not. So simply tap on continue, and you just need to enter your fingerprint, face or screen lock, or you need to enter your password of your Google account. And once you've entered the password, now you need to scroll down, and here tap on these two boxes and then tap on delete account, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on delete account, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you can delete your Gmail account or your Google account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.